File extensions. Have you ever wondered when you click on a file, it opens a specific application? How does your OS knows what application has to use to open that file? Now let's take this example. You have a file called screenshot.png and root.mp3. Now the last three letters, right, that's what decides which application has to open. So basically in a OS, each file extension is associated to a specific application. Now when you click on screenshot, it opens a Apple preview. So when I click on root.mp3, so it basically opens Apple, or I could also select these three. Now if you look at it, it's just showing three applications, but from here it's showing different, like 6 applications. Now there is also a default option. It shows when you just click on open, it opens a default app. Similarly here, the Apple Music app as a default option. Now this is a Mac OS. Now in a Mac OS, you will have settings like what has to be the default application. Now when you install the OS or when you get the Mac, by factory setting itself, by default, it will have a few apps, and those apps knows, like preview.app knows that any image format, like say PNG with the file extensions, PNG, JPEG, all that. For those, the image preview, the preview app is a default app to be opened. Likewise, Apple Music is a default app for the music files, say mp3, .wav, all that. Now you can also set a different application to be the default. Let's say you click on always open with, I'll show it again. Go to open and then open it, and then you select this checkbox, okay, and click on VLC. Now every time you click on open now, it'll just see open with the VLC app is showing now. So every time you click on open now, it'll be opened by the VLC app. So the file extension is all that matters. Now what I'll do is I'll just change the file extension to PNG. Okay, you will definitely get that alert whether you are in the Windows or Mac. So when I try to open that in VLC, see, it still plays. But when you open that in preview, because it's PNG, I mean, you can try opening with preview with the file extension, but then why doesn't it open? The reason for that, we'll see what file format is now.